Hello and welcome. I'm Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use my Advance Lactic Brightening Treatment. This is a 12% formulation, so it's strong and it has a very low pH. So as soon as it touches your skin, you're going to feel the activity of it, which is going to dissolve oil and help with exfoliation and brightening, and also there's vitamin B, so it's going to help with pores and inflammation and to buffer some of the alpha hydroxy acid. I'm going to ask that you follow the instructions on the back of the bottle until your skin gets used to this product, which takes about 2 to 3 weeks. If you feel more hardcore, feel free to trust yourself, know what you need to do for you so you can reach your own goals. But at first, especially if you're new to my products, make sure that you put it on, follow the instructions, and then rinse or spray your skin to neutralize it. You can always neutralize this acid by spraying or rinsing your skin at any time if it feels like it's uncomfortable for you. Here's the thing, if you have skin that is sensitive, it hasn't been worked out, it hasn't been really treated in a long time, and you're looking for something to take your skin to that next level, this is going to do that. But because you haven't done much to your skin, you just need to use less and rinse more quickly so that your skin can go okay, and eventually you'll be able to put this on and leave it on much longer and allow it to penetrate much deeper, giving you even better results, especially if you're struggling with a lot of acne or pigmentation. So I'm just going to put about I think that was 10 drops, just a little bit on a cotton round like this, and I'm just going to rub this onto my skin very gently, like a little bit of a toner. I just used my exfoliating cleanser in the last video, so I'm doing them back to back. I do get it pretty close to under my eyes, but if your under eyes are sensitive or your eye area is sensitive, feel free to just use it as far as you can, but you should definitely get it around the eye to help benefit like wrinkles and the prevention of wrinkles, because alpha hydroxy acts similar to vitamin A without all the irritation. So I'm just kind of putting it on all over, just a little bit, allowing a little bit of the acid to absorb into my skin. Usually I do my neck because I'm pretty hardcore, but I have this collared shirt on today, so I won't. But I just let the first pass of acid soak in, and then I use whatever's left on here to slowly just kind of dab the rest into my skin, especially on areas that I really kind of want to work or want it to penetrate a little bit more. Always my forehead and a little bit down here by my ear, and I'm just continuing to use what's left on this cotton so I don't waste anything. Of course, anytime rinse. If you're like, girl, I can't, just rinse, 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 rinse. If you came to see me in my office for a treatment, we would use all this plus like 30, 40, 50% acid on you. So this is how you get your skin stronger and able to handle more, and also allow any product you put on afterwards to penetrate right into your skin and work better because there's no dead skin. So I'm just going to use that amount because I just used this also last night. I've been testing it, so I'm not going to do too much more, and there will be more videos of advanced instructions on how to take this product and all my other products that are coming out to that next level when you feel ready for that. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. I'll also leave a link if you're new here and you want to see more about the product. You can see if it resonates with you. Remember to always stay gorgeous, and I'll see you guys really soon in a new video.